Yeah, I dedicate this one to all the true riders of their own beefs, you feel me? I love you, man. My brother Les, Kid Kahuna, Allen Kid Kahuna, out there in T.I. Rest in peace, Robbie Silver and Galen Choi. All my ooh soldiers, I love you. All throughout the federal camps, true soldiers. Looking over your shoulder every time while in this hustling game. Your heart grows stronger and bolder after the first time you make that run across the way. Then the Skrilla's drop, got your eyes on rocks, trying to make the neighborhood feel good. Buying out the bar, trying to be a star. Never thought they would be coming for you. Just know that you have a right to remain silent. Anything you say will be held against you. If there's one thing in life, true G's are required. Never give up, not one person or two. We all know tough guys and killers that gave up their loved ones, promising they'd be true. All that talking, you know what I'm saying? I even thought I picked winners and got disappointed when them boys came in blue. Man, I really thought they was cool. Then shit hits the fan. Now we see who's the man. Who's the man now? And it's never who you thought it would be. They say if you give a three, you walk away for free. So I gotta big up all my riders and G's. You know that you have a right to remain silent. Anything you say will be held against you. If there's one thing in life, true G's are required. Never give up, not one person or two.
Okay. Look, they got him pinched up, wrist chained up. His lip is like a fly, he got it zipped up. They took him to the station, started interrogating. He's sitting in the chair, and now his heart is racing. Therefore they smell fear, threatened him with 10 years. He yells, I don't know, and starts shedding tears. So what's the next step? Where did he go from there? His mouth start to open, and shit hit the fan. Now my brother's gone, damn I wish you was here. I got you covered though, cause he no longer lives. To all my real soldiers, that's doing L-biz, you know I always hold you.
You have a right to remain silent. Anything you say will be held against you. If there's one thing in life, true G's are required. Never give up, not one person or two. No, never give up. Yeah. I know some of you coming out early. I'm praying for you. 1, 2 years, we know what's coming. I got my brother coming in, you see what I'm saying? Here's another one, True G, my dog Bo.